The architect connects to the Autodesk Construction Cloud via Informed Design for Revit and explores available products to integrate into their building design. They can browse manufacturers' product offerings by selecting projects and folders. For some products, like this balcony, multiple release versions are available. The architect opens the balcony and places an instance of the manufacturer's default configuration. When customization is desired, the manufacturer's built-in rules guide the architect, providing real-time information and corrections, and updating the range of options as needed to ensure a valid result. Inventor in the cloud facilitates the generation of product variations on demand, so the architect is alerted to expect a brief delay when a variation is new to the project. This architect knows which staircase variations the project requires, so rather than generating and placing each variation individually, the architect configures and generates all the necessary variations up front. Once generated, these staircase variations are available in the table on the Existing tab, allowing the architect to select and place all the necessary instances throughout the project more efficiently without delays. These products, with all their valuable context, are supplied in a lightweight, BIM-appropriate level of detail that won't weigh down the model. If changes are needed, the architect can revisit and modify instances easily, with committed changes triggering the creation of the corresponding product variation and replacing the designated instance. The informed design approach removes ambiguity and saves time, as architects no longer need to contact manufacturers for clarifications related to product customization. Manufacturers may also provide information with their published products to apprise the architect upfront about how their customization choices impact factors like cost and lead time. This transparency streamlines the architect's decision-making. When the Revit model is uploaded in the Autodesk Construction Cloud, Informed Design products retain all the useful metadata in their instance properties. By integrating standardized, repeatable components with certainty and efficiency, the architect gains more time to focus on the bespoke, high-value aspects of the project where their creativity can flourish.